Emigiron Jonathan C. from BSM Tigalion. I'm here to create a sample video announcing distress, urgency, and safety messages. This is the merchant vessel Igiron. Call sign Delta Charlie Bravo Alpha 75301. We are transmitting an emergency distress signal. Please stand by for important information. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is merchant vessel Igiron. Call sign Delta Charlie Alpha Bravo. We are currently experiencing a fire in engine room. When we request immediate assistance, our position is 35 degrees 12 minutes north, 75 degrees 22 minutes west. The fire is spreading rapidly. We have 25 persons on board. We request urgent help. Pan. This is an emergency message. This is merchant vessel Igiron. Has experienced mechanical failure and fire in our engine room in our navigational system. We are unable to proceed safely. We require immediate assistance to stabilize the vessel and avoid further risk. Security. This is MB Igiron. Safety message for all vessels. Advises all nearby ships to keep clear of our immediate vicinity while we manage the fire. Please follow the standard safety protocols and be alert for further communications. Security. This is MB Igiron. Safe seas to all.